Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OPPO Find X9. So, if you're using USB-C headphones, so when you use either an adapter or the headphones, what you guys can do first is clean the charging port. So, as you guys know, the charging port is right at the bottom. Now, if you see that your charging port is dirty, then that can mean that the dust is blocking the connection. So we definitely want to clean it first. We need to do it thoroughly with a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic because you can only damage the port even more. If it's not damaged, then you will damage it definitely. And what you guys can do next is restart the phone. And how to do that? You need to hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe up to restart. And as you guys can see, we saw the OPPO logo, and now all we have to do is wait for the phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, all we have to do is enter the password if you have one. And now for the adapters, if you're using not an original adapter or not a certified adapter, then I recommend you guys if you start using one, because sometimes those poor quality adapters, they can break down and you won't even know when or how. So you guys can test another pair of headphones using the adapter. So if you have got another pair of headphones like the 3.5mm to check if the adapter is working, then you guys can do that. Now what you guys can do is update your phone software, but I'll get back to that later. Now let's go over and talk about the Bluetooth headphones. So what we want to do first with the Bluetooth headphones is we want to turn on and turn off the Bluetooth. So now my Bluetooth is turned off, now it's turned on, and what we want to do is we want to restart it. So just tap on the switch right up top and tap again. Now our Bluetooth is successfully restarted, and if your headphones are already connected, then what you guys can do is forget them and repair them again. Now, if they are not connecting, then what you guys can do is charge the headphones fully, so up to 100%, including the case. I've had this situation where my headphones were like 70 and 80%, and my case was 60, and they didn't connect. But once I charged them up to 100, then they connected successfully. So what you guys can do after that is make sure that you avoid any device interference. So for an example, if you have another device that is trying to connect with the headphones that you're trying to use on this phone, then I would recommend you guys resetting them, because sometimes they can connect to another device instead of this phone. So what you guys can do after that is update the phone software. So this is what we're going back into. Let's scroll down in the settings and then go to system and update. Here we need to select software update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date. I'm running the latest version of my software. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep your phone up to date with its software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.